So I'll be showing you how to insert a picture on top of another picture in your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So I'm just going to go into the gallery and find the picture that I want to insert another picture on. Let's say, for instance, I pick this photo. Okay. Now, this picture, all I have to do now is tap on it and then tap on the edit icon. And in the edit icon, at the bottom there, tap on the stickers icon. So this is the stickers icon. So tap on it and then select stickers. Now this is going to show you some default stickers or stickers you might have used before. What you want to do is tap on the plus symbol, or you can tap on the gallery icon here. So if you tap on that and then tap on plus, that opens up your gallery. And then now you can find the picture you want to add on top of that. Okay, so for instance, I'll pick this photo. You can see it right there. Now, if you want to eliminate the background of this photo and only add the specific subject, you can do that. But also you can add the entire picture if you want to. Okay, so for the most part, it's gonna just select for you a sticker style kind of photo, and you can select with an outline. You can have a cutout, you can have the vintage version of the photo. Let's go for original and then tap on done. Okay, and then now you can add it there, and then you can move it around, you can rotate it however you want. And when you're happy with it, you can now tap on save or save copy. Okay, it's literally that simple. Now, if you wanted to add the entire photo, tap on the plus symbol and then tap on the photo, and then it's going to automatically pick the subject for you, and you want to select reselect, and then with the whole entire image selected, tap on next, and it's going to pick out the entire photo. And then now you can select done, and then that's going to add the entire photo without necessarily removing the background. Okay, simple as that. And then now you can hit save or save copy. So that is basically how to insert a photo into another photo on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.